The pitch when I knocked on people's doors was, my name's Reggie, I'm from East London. I came to Kensington and Chelsea because I researched that this is the wealthiest area in the UK, and I just wanted to know what skills and qualities you had that allowed you to live in a wealthy area like this so that I can extrapolate that and use that for myself.
Hi, Reggie.
Hey, how are you? So I went down a private street, the second door I knocked on. A lady speaks through the intercom. She opens the door, invites me in. As we were speaking, a gentleman walks through the room. That guy was Quentin Price. At the time, Quentin was the head of Alpha Strategies at BlackRock.
We see it all around us, and the more people like Reggie there are, the faster we'll get to the right place.
I would say embrace the rejections, use it and embrace it, and use it as like the petrol for you to get through to wherever you need to be.